Are you looking for the best LED headlights in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best LED headlights that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The fifth product on our list is the SNGL Super Bright LED Headlight Bulbs 9007. The SNGL Super Bright LED headlight bulbs are the only bulbs that use Lumi LED's Xenon MZ LED. These bulbs generate the correct beam pattern suitable for the driving conditions with the help of a patented adjustable focus length. These headlights are able to achieve high levels of brightness at 12,400 lumens with no foggy lights or dark spots, thus providing a clear view to the drivers even on dark and hazy nights. The crystal clear 6000 kelvins white light makes your drive less stressful and safe as it clearly illuminates the objects and obstacles on the road. The SNGL LED headlights are fitted with an improved intelligent cooling system that ensures that they have a longer lifespan. This cooling system is a combination of a turbo cool fan and dual IC control driver, which provide 50,000 hours of bright continuous light. Moreover, this cooling system prevents damage to the headlight components. The SNGL LED headlights are CAN bus ready, which makes them compatible with any vehicle's CPU. They are also vibration resistant and shock resistant, which further increases their lifespan. Moreover, you can mount these headlights on most car models within half an hour. Up next in the fourth place is the Hikari UltraFocus H13 H8 H9 LED bulbs. The Hikari Ultra LED headlight bulbs make it to our best LED headlight list as they provide perfect and extremely bright light. These headlights are designed with the latest and most advanced technologies that are not offered by any other brand. You will love the stylish look they give to your vehicle. They are rainproof and fog-proof, thus allowing you to enjoy a smooth drive despite the weather conditions. The Hikari headlights are manufactured by using the AI frequency technology that ensures a perfect light beam pattern without any dark spots. These headlights are durable and provide up to almost 50,000 hours of continuous, flicker-free lights. They are also available in various sizes, thus making them perfect for various models of cars. The plug-and-play approach of these headlights makes installation easy. You can easily replace your old bulbs with Hikari headlights yourself. Moreover, they are compatible with the vehicle's CPU as well. The built-in fans help to increase the lifespan of these bulbs, while the contemporary design ensures that the light projects a wide arc of light across the road. The high-quality LED used in these headlights produces 12,000 lumens, thus lighting up the road far ahead of you. The third product on our list is the NINEO 9005 LED bulbs. The NINEO LED headlight bulbs come with an intelligent control driver chip that helps monitor fan speed and maintain cooling. These headlights operate at 6000 kelvins with 12,000 lumens per pair. Moreover, its advanced technology ensures a perfect beam without any dark spots. The installation of these headlights is very easy and can be done within 20 minutes without any added wiring, capacitors, and relays. The are CAN bus ready and do not interfere with the car's computer system. The 360 degrees fully adjustable mounting collar makes it easier to properly align the bulbs, thus ensuring correct beam pattern and perfect light output. These headlights come with automatic short circuit protection, are twice as bright as conventional halogen lights, and last up to 50,000 hours. The integrated fan and cooling chip provide heat and water protection and work even in the harshest conditions, while the aluminum heatsink and turbo cooling fan promote a powerful heat dissipation that keeps this unit 30% cooler than your stock halogen. Second on our list is the Glowtech H13 9008 LED headlight bulbs. The Glowtech LED headlights are designed with the latest Cree XHP50 LED chip, thus making them a great kit to upgrade from halogen headlights. They are on our list of best LED headlights as they produce 12,000 lumens per pair, thus providing brighter illumination. With an anti-glare body and spherical optical design, these headlights provide greater color consistency, reliability, and lumen density. The air flux dual cooling together with a dual Japanese ball bearing cooling fan and copper thermal heatsink, these headlights ensure maximum heat dissipation. They have a longer lifespan of 40,000 hours and plug-and-play installation that ensures bulb replacement within 20 minutes. The Glowtech LED headlights are fully adjustable, thus making them compatible with various car models. They are suitable for fog light assembly, high beams, and low beams and ensure a clear and crisp white beam pattern for your vehicle. Finally, the top product on our list is the Xenon Pro LED Headlight. The Xenon Pro LED Headlight conversion kit is at the top of our list due to its brightness and extreme clarity, which is the result of advanced German technology. Moreover, these headlights are completely water, dust, shock, and rumble-proof. Another amazing feature of the Xenon headlights is that they are available in a number of colors such as yellow, white, purple, and blue to choose the one you like best. They are up to 150% brighter than halogen headlights while saving on energy as they use only 45 W for power. The Xenon headlight bulbs enhance the experience of driving at night by clearly illuminating the road. The plug-and-play installation does not require professional expertise. You can easily do it yourself as it does not require splicing or cutting and utilizes the factory bulb housing and wiring harness. The built-in microfans prevent the headlight bulbs from becoming overheated, thus ensuring outstanding performance and longevity. There is no need for ballasts, which ensures that these headlights fit easily into your existing factory bulb housing. Furthermore, these headlight bulbs come with a lifetime warranty and free replacements. This provides the customers with complete peace of mind as they can be sure that these headlights will last them a long time, and even if they do encounter any problems, they can always replace them without any extra charges. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.